Oily and acne-prone skin is a trouble to many, and controlling the oil of your skin without harming the pH level is necessary. A good facial cleanser will remove dirt, oils, and unclog your pores without leaving your skin overly dry. But why use chemicals when all the natural ingredients can easily be used for our skincare, which is safer for our skin for current and future? And preparing cleansers for oily skin at home is really easy and safe for the skin at the same time, since we know which ingredients we're using and how it's affecting our skin. So we came up with the 5 DIY facial cleansers for oily skin that you can easily prepare in your home with easy to find ingredients. These cleansers will help your skin to control oil and fight against acne and future breakouts. So let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Charcoal and tea tree oil facial cleanser. If you're suffering from oily skin problems and acne at the same time, the charcoal and tea tree oil cleanser will work like magic for your skin. So let's go through the required ingredients. To prepare this DIY face cleanser, you'll need 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal powder, half a cup of aloe vera gel, half cup of organic honey, 30 drops of tea tree essential oil, and 2 tablespoons of safflower oil, and an airtight jar to store. The procedures and applications. Mix all of the ingredients well in a bowl and pour in an airtight jar. You can store the cleanser at room temperature for a couple of months. Shake the cleanser and scoop out some of the product from the jar and massage your face for a couple of minutes. Allow the cleanser to sit for about 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it thoroughly with lukewarm water. Let's check out the benefits of these ingredients. The activated charcoal helps to solve your acne for oily skin problems, as it absorbs oil from pores and draws out dirt from the pore. The tea tree oil has properties to kill bacteria and virus-causing acne, blackheads, and whiteheads. The aloe vera gel helps to reduce excessive inflammation, heals any wound on the skin, calms redness, heals sunburnt skin, and has anti-inflammatory actions. The combination of honey and safflower oil in this facial cleanser will make your skin hydrated and glowing. The yogurt and strawberry facial cleanser. Are you looking for a cleanser that will draw out the oils and dirt from pores and also helps the pores to shrink? The yogurt and strawberry facial cleanser is the right choice for you. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To make this homemade facial cleanser, you'll need 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 2 to 3 strawberries, and 3 drops of lavender essential oil. The procedure and application. Just blend all the ingredients together thoroughly, and your cleanser is ready to apply. Apply the mixture onto your face in gently, circular massage motions while applying it. Let it sit for 6 to 8 minutes and wash it off with water. The benefits of the ingredients for this cleanser. Yogurt is highly nourishing and hydrating for your skin. It helps to clean dead skin cells and tighten your pores. It also helps to reduce the amount of oil your skin produces. The strawberry is full of vitamin C, which nourishes and rejuvenates your skin while also clearing off excess oil. The lavender oil helps to tone the skin, reduces inflammation, and promotes healing while fighting against acne. The Oatmeal and Nutmeg Facial Cleanser. If you're looking for a cleanser that will soak up all your excess oil from skin, our next preferred cleanser is the right choice for you. It's the Oatmeal and Nutmeg Cleanser. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this cleanser, you will need a half cup of grinded oats, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, and 10 drops of tea tree oil. Procedures and application. Add all the ingredients into an airtight container and mix it thoroughly. You can store the cleanser at room temperature for a couple of days. Take a little bit of the mixture into your hand and rub it gently onto your face using circular motions. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it with cold water. Now let's check out the benefits of these ingredients. Oats help to soak up excess oils from your skin. It heals your skin and makes it clearer, smoother, and brighter. It's also useful for inflammation and irritation. The nutmeg acts as a powerful shield and enforcer for the health of your skin. The other ingredients are also effective in moisturizing and nourishing your skin while controlling your skin stay oil-free. The raw milk and orange face cleanser. Looking for a cleanser that will do magic in your oily skin? The raw milk and orange cleanser will help to reduce the production of oils and clean pores. Now, let's go through the required ingredients of this cleanser. To prepare this cleanser, you will need 3 tablespoons of raw milk, 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed orange, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients well until you see a nice paste and it's ready to apply. Apply it on your face and massage it gently using a circular motion. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then wash it thoroughly. Let's go through the benefits of these ingredients. Milk has healing properties that clean out dirt and dust particles clogging pores, reducing acne, blackheads, whiteheads, and pimple breakouts. Oranges are known to work like magic on skin. It helps to absorb additional oil from the face and prevent acne. Graham flour face wash. If you want a natural glow on your face while controlling the oil on the skin, the Graham flour face wash is the right choice for you. Let's check out the required ingredients first. To prepare this cleanser, you'll need 1 tablespoon of Graham flour, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons curd. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients thoroughly until it becomes a consistent paste. You can store the cleanser for a day or 2. Apply the mixture all over your face and leave it on for 10 minutes. After that, rub it gently into your face using a circular motion and rinse it thoroughly. You can also apply it on your body for a clean skin. Let's go through the benefits of the ingredients used in this cleanser. The Graham flour helps to control oil on your skin, brighten up, and get rid of your pigmentation. The turmeric powder is anti-inflammatory in nature and it helps to prevent pimples. The lemon helps to absorb all your excess oil and sebum pores on your face. And the yogurt helps to clean dead skin cells and tighten your pores. So those were our top 5 DIY facial cleansers for oily and acne-prone skin. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.